Welcome to my channel. I am Sudhir Mahale. I am a problem solving coach. I have started this channel to help working professionals to develop problem solving skill so that they can grow their career very fast. In this video, I will be talking about creative problem solving. So what is creative problem solving? It is the process of searching an original and previously unknown solution to the problem. Our day-to-day life is also changing every day because of the people who have created creative problems, solve the problem creatively. Look at our mobile phone, how it was about 5 years ago. Now, how we are making calls, and it is replacing everything. It is replaced camera also. It has replaced your watch also. So everything is connected in the mobile phone. So that that itself, our life is full of creative problem solving methods. So this will help if you develop the skill. It will help businesses to bring innovative solution, and business will have an opportunity to growth in the competitive industry. Because unless you evolve and if you develop problem create or solve the problems creatively, you can grow very fast. And as an employee, it will be a skill that will make you very valuable across industries. And the solution should be novel and reach independently. That is the only condition that is of this method. So with this, before proceeding further, I request you to copy this link and post it in your browser. This is a link to my previous video about how problems enter the businesses. There are various types, two different types of are there, and that you will understand clearly if you have not seen the video previously. But if you have seen the video, then you know what is the inherent problem, and this creative problem solving method will be dealing with mainly with the inherent problems, and with this you can understand your business environment, systems, rules, and within that you will be developing your solutions. So you can help identify things we need to change, and it will improve the business proposal many performance manifold. See, in manufacturing also, we have JIT system without inventory, a single place flow, which has increased the production capacity of the plant, multiplied many multiples, the 10x, 20x times we can create more production from the same plant. It is about creating something new, and this will make you business to the dizzy heights. To understand now, to work on the creative problem, you have to identify user problems, and that user problem should be aligned to the business goals. Otherwise, there is no need for working on the problem because business is not going to improve. Then there is no use of putting efforts and solving user problems. You should focus on constraint. That is because these inherent problems many times nobody sees it as a problem. It is considered as it's the way to business do the business. Say for photography, earlier we used to have film and then develop that film. Now nobody is doing that. Take a photo on your mobile and directly do the color printing. So all the non-productive activities about developing the film and all that has gone now. So similarly, you have to focus on constraints. So whatever process you are doing right now, say if you are using a car, many times you have to take it to the servicing. So suppose if you reduce the servicing, say from 5,000 kilometers to 10,000 kilometers, or eliminate the servicing for many constraints, many cases. So servicing points can be reduced. So similarly, you have to see what are the non-productive activities you are doing, and if you concentrate on that, then you will have innovative solutions for your problem. The process is that understanding the non-productive activities, and then gather all possible data and do the research on all the data sources, and what is that problem and what is the activities we want to work on. And then we have to ask questions, many questions, and these questions should be challenging. That is how might we can improve this process, or how we can uh, reduce our production cost by say many multiple, say 20%, 30%, whether we can reduce the production cost. How, what way we can we reduce the travel time between two cities. So that way we can ask challenging questions which will lead to the innovative solutions. Generate ideas. Now we have to, after identifying the problem, we have to generate ideas. That is, brainstorming is one of the most prop, most used method for the generating the idea. And then you have to test and review the idea, repeat test until you get the best idea. If you test one idea, you can say that 5% improvement. Another idea will give you 20% improvement. So that test you have to do, and then select the best idea. And we have to, then after idea is fixed, then we have to plan for implementation of the service or product or whatever you are working on. And then you have to implement the plan, do the budget, and unless you implement the plan, then only idea is successful. Otherwise it is only idea or it is only data. Unless implementation is not done, then there is no use of developing the idea. Various techniques we can see what of generating the ideas. These are brainstorming, most commonly used technique, and it you can do it solo also, and you can do it in team also. But we have to select the team properly. Then only brainstorming will be effective. Otherwise, a second method is concept mapping or mind mapping for organizing thoughts. Various thoughts will be there, but it has to be organized properly. Then only and find connections between these two ideas. Then that the process is called mind mapping or concept mapping. Then, uh, if another method is SWOT analysis. SWOT can be done for your individual, but SWOT can be done for company also. SWOT can be done for ideas also, or business or project or ideas. Well, another very unique method is random word method that I like very much, because you have to generate random word. There are various softwares, and they generate for generating the random words. These are you have to select nouns only, and you create a list of random words and select any word of that, and then problem you are working. Suppose you have selected say toothbrush, and then you are working noun, we are select random noun is toothbrush, and we are working on the problems in the kitchen. So how toothbrush can be connected to the kitchen? Say the brush can be used for say hitting also, if that brush type, bristles type nozzles you can give, or you can have hitting elements arranged as per the bristles, and the different ideas can be or connected to the kitchen, that is heating or cleaning. That way we can generate the ideas. And then another method is storyboarding. That is mainly used for, technique is used for filmmaking, like creating generally take a one story, and then we have to break down that story into different parts, and then for different parts, then it is each scene has to be developed, and then in that scene who will be the actor, what will be the background, like that we have to select. This is the step creation process, and with that steps creation process, you find steps to reach your goal. So these are various techniques that can be used to generate idea and do creative problem solving. How you can improve the creative problem skills? That you have to pay brain games. There are various online resources. One example I found is logicline.com. They have gone various methods. And then keep on asking questions. Why it is to be done like that? How we can improve that? How we can eliminate that? Like that, we have to ask questions. And curiosity will be broaden your domain knowledge. So challenge yourself with new opportunities. You ask for change, or you go for uh, uh, say NGO, working on NGOs, and what do volunteer work and raise the bar. You have to master your to identify new problems, find connection between them, and then create actionable solution. And persistence is more important. You have to go after that problem persistently. Then only you will have a motivation. So if you like my video, uh, then you can tell me three things you learned from this video, and you can. This is very short video, so you can ask if you want any things to be broadened or expanded further. Then you can write down to me on this comment box below, and I will do the separate video for that particular area only. And of course, if you did not like anything, then you can write it down so that I can improve and help others also to improve along with me. And you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on bell icon. So whenever I publish new videos on the subject, you will get the notification and you can immediately uh, go through that video. Uh, You can join my Facebook group to know more about my activities. And I have also created a private group for professionals like you. And you can interact if you come in the community. And in the community, if you interact, then your knowledge can be increased very fold. So instead of means if you can come to the community, then it will be very helpful for your career. Thank you very much for my for going through my video. Thanks a lot.